Hi, I'm here and I'm gonna sing hello with full vocal cords, and I hope you like it. It's Adele. Hope you like it. Let me just stop it short one. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you would like to me to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't that much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be. When we were younger and free. Forgetting how it felt before the world fell out of key. There's such a difference between us and an alien Maya. Hello from the other side. I must have caught a thousand times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, you'll never seem to be at home. Hello from the outside. Master, can you say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for everything that you've done? And that's me singing it down.